everyone. I'm gonna go feed my chickens and my rooster. They're right all the way over here. So, we have some bread that they eat. And we are gonna do this. A rooster chickens! You guys got bread. You guys finally get bread. This. Who's the rooster? I get some. The rooster normally never gets any. Are you talking with the females? Aw, you're sharing. This is all the food. This is all the bread that we have. Leave it to look like. Getting it from there. Aw, the rooster's sharing. Sharon is caring. So, should I dump all this? I think I should. Whoa! You could deal with leaks. No fighting females, no fighting girls. Here's all. I might get more for them, but it's theirs. Oh, that was just staring. And we do got some eggs for us as well. I don't know. We do have eggs, but they were hens. Okay, I'm going. Jeez. They have a lot of cute person. I know. But I gave them a lot of bread. And I think that's enough for them. I'm going to show you guys my other animals. There's a tons of dragonflies. This is where we put the eggs in, but this is where I put the bread in as well. We also kind of have another thing for them, but different. With a covering for the rooster can't get out. There's Lucifer. And then here's Jakey, Fatso, and then every single little baby kitty. And I'll show you Isabel. Oh, there's another kitty. She kind of wants out. Sorry. So, we have this, and then we have I think I should feed them at least once more. I'm just going to probably give them 2 more pieces of bread. Kind of hard holding a camel and getting bread. I could figure it out. Sorry over the background noise. It's my sister singing and my mom getting mad kind of at the cats. They're trying to eat the kitten food. We have kittens as well. kind of hard. Sometimes my dog will have some. He likes eating it on the ground. I don't know why. Almost all the animals like eating stuff on the ground. Even the chickens. The turkeys are sawed. This is more like a chicken video. Okay, let's go and feed them again. Sorry, my room, my house is a big, giant mess, and sorry I keep covering the camera a little. I have to try to get low. Well, okay, so last time. There's all the kitties. Hey, Mom, I want to feed them some bread.
These are way too big. You still got to break these chunks up smaller.
Okay. Mom, when I was feeding them bread again, the rooster was actually sharing. He was picking them up and then he would letting the females eat it. I guess he was actually sharing. Are these good enough?
Well, see how small I'm making them?
But every time I feed them big, they're actually doing...
Yeah, they could choke on that though. The bread isn't moist, and that's where it's like watered down, where it's easy to rip apart.
I kind of dropped in some of them.
I'm going to take a little bit of this in for the ones that are in the...
Yeah, we still have to break it.
Keep throwing food up there so I can keep these guys in here.
Want to help, Dusty?
Throw it in. That's 10.
I think. Rooster! Oh, this. It's them. A rooster! There's over 1,000 over here for you. Well, I can have fun with the video, but I'll show you guys one cute thing. I'll show you guys all the cats that you guys never actually that much saw. Because we got everyone that's kind of annoyed. Here's all the kitties. Here's one. There's some wild kittens. That one, and that one right there, they're all wild. It's just this one. See, if you try to touch one of them, well, see, if you try to touch any of them, see, they start to kind of run. Here, I'm gonna... Well, here's a beautiful kitten. Oh, sorry, guys. I kind of had to do that. It was too adorable. here's all of my pets. I hope, oh, I forgot to tell you that we grow in a garden. Sorry on YouTube, I never made a lot of videos and everything, but I'm gonna try now. But here's our garden. And we have a big giant normally hole because of the dogs. And I do a lot of good art, and I'm still getting gooder. But I'm getting bored. I'm gonna make another video maybe later. Well, I'm gonna go watch my favorite YouTubers. I'm not gonna say them. The only if you guys want me to say them, fine, I'll say them. I'm gonna watch Matt and Rebecca and everything. So, sorry if I'm making it to you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I guess of me showing all my pets and everything. Oh, I like how cute these babies are. Well, I just want to say, I kind of got, I don't know. But if you guys could please get to 1K, I would give you guys all shout-outs on TikTok. Okay? If any of you guys are on TikTok, I'll give you a shout-out. So, if you guys want to know my TikTok, it's Trinity Dawn 12300. Okay? Now, go search that up, I guess. But I can't do any of those thingies when you take the picture and then you show stuff on there. I'm sorry, I can't do that. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Well, goodbye. I'll see you guys later.